Sending cold email is easy part. The real game start when people reply. If you don't handle those replies the right way, you will lose meetings, even from positive leads. In this video, I'll show you how I turn cold email conversation to booked meeting step by step. I have seen so many campaigns fail not because of bad deliverability or bad email copy, but because the replies were ignored or handled poorly. I made the same mistake early on. Someone replies positively, I fumble to response, and I just lost that lead. Today, I'll show you how to avoid that. First, categorize every reply. When replies come in, I put them in three buckets: positive, neutral, and negative. Positive means interested or ready to meet. Neutral, curious about your product but not ready yet. And negative, they're not interested or unsubscribed. So now handling positive replies. This is where most people mess up. Don't dump more sales talk instead. Acknowledge the reply, confirm the problem you solve, offer a clear next step. Example, thank you for your reply, John. Yes, we help SaaS companies to reduce churn. Would you be open for a 15-minute quick call in this Wednesday or Thursday? Keep it simple. Important note, positive replies can be lost if you don't reply fast and efficiently. A 24-hour delay can kill the momentum. I try to respond in hours, not days. Now, handling the neutral replies. These people are not ready but curious about your service or product. Your job is to nudge them. Send them a short message with proof, maybe a case study or stat. Don't push for a meeting yet. Build trust first. Now, handling negative replies. Don't fight. Thank them, keep it short, and move on. Sometimes a polite close keeps the door open for later. For one campaign in the legal niche, we got 14 positive replies in 4 weeks. At first, the client wasn't replying fast enough, and half of the leads went silent. We fix it with reply handling system, immediate response, calendar links ready, clear scheduling. End result, 8 meeting booked, 3 clients closed. The difference wasn't the emails, it was how we handle the replies. And what if the client doesn't show up in the meeting? It happens. Even confirmed meetings can fall through. Here's what I do. Send a polite follow up. Example, sorry we missed each other. Let's reschedule and offer 2 new time slots. If they ghost twice, I drop them into a nurture sequence. Not a delete, just not ready. So don't just focus on sending emails. Replies are where deals happen. Categorize fast, respond effectively, always lock in the next step. And if a meeting doesn't show, reschedule. Don't rage quit. And I see many people don't want to meet because of their poor communication skill or fear of communication and all. Hear me out, my friend. There is no chance you can close a good deal in texting or replying emails. If you are good at your service but not good at your communication skill, then I'm requesting you to hire someone to do the meeting for you and close the deals. Thank you so much.